Good morning everyone. Myself Suman Dotto from Siliguri, West Bengal. I am pursuing my Bachelor of Technology in the reputed Department of Civil Engineering from Siliguri Institute of Technology, Siliguri. In this video, I will discuss about the design and analysis of a 23rd story RC building using ETABS 2016. This video is basically created for the purpose of my project title as Design and Analysis Project Assignment for Skyfi Labs online courses. This video is not created for any commercial purpose, it is created for educational purpose only. In here the reference ETABS 2016 and IS 875-1987 and IS 456-2000 and section specification properties beam, column and slab is specified here we can see, and material properties are M40 grade of concrete, HYHD 500 and mild 250. First start the software and I already assigned all the load and everything frame in this model. Go to the assign menu and click material properties. Here we can see I already defined M40, HYFD 500 and 2 mild 250. So click cancel. Next, there is a section beam, column etc. are defined, so I can use it for further. Here we can see all the defined menu. Next click OK. Next define the slab section. Here you can see define slab 150. Okay, next I check the load patterns. There are dead load, live load, wind load. For wind load there is two options, but we can use only Indian 1987. Next go to the draw menu. Here we can see quick draw beam and quick draw of column, and next quick draw of slab. For further auto draw of cladding, we can see find all those things from outside. Here is options. So next we started analysis on this model. We take some time to analyze the model, so wait further. So as we can see analysis is done. So now check now all the things we need. So first design to the menu, select the concrete frame design, then go to the start design and check. By this method we can check the column, beam and every frame. So as we can see the red color check all the design materials. So there we have the values. Zoom out. So next we check all the members, verify. So that means we can further proceed. So go to the frame and here is share 2 and share 3 section and everything. We select everything one by one. So by default section is selected 2D and 3D. We can choose 2D. I can choose D. See all the things very clearly, and there are so many values. We can just draw it and see if it is right or wrong. So by these things, here we can see 3 value, moment 2 value, 3 value. I can check all of this. So this is exactly like we draw it in our notebook and see the total number of value, maximum value of minimum value, everything. So by clicking the different material and beam, exactly see the value from the above. From when we load, check the different kind of load and pattern and everything. So there is not a single value of I can check live load. Here is here of the 3 value live load. And we can see the torsion value from here. So next I can go to the, here you can see the deformation of the beam of the for the live load and for the dead load. So the values from here in the lower body deformation, where is nearly 0, but upward deformation, which is for the live load, we can see the deformation. And in this here for 2-story 1, we can see deformation exactly look like this. When we go to upward direction, change him. This is for the live load. Okay, after going to the wind, and we can see that there is single change all the colors and blue in the section. Go to a different section of the story. So next we can combo of loading, we can lead deformation changing for story, and here we can see values from here. By clicking this option, exactly see the beam, column and slab from the structure. So next go to the display menu and story option plots. Here story, exactly the story between 23 and 18 deformation is very high, by the story 1 to 8 very low, and exactly see the values from. So we go to the elevation section. Here is we can from side 3D model tab, and there is we can ground floor base, its fixed point. How to exactly just put it here, go to the base and by selecting the base point all of them, and next go to the assign menu, click just joint, we can see the fixed joint. By clicking there fixed all of them. So select from report option on summary report, free wait for some time and the report is generated. Yes, this is now already. This is the summary of total all building. This is the evaluation versions. We can see the details version parts, and here we can all the story height and the type of loading, total load, live load, win load and everything. And even though the set code is used win load. There is the value of x, y and if z and everything. So by click on every portion and find anything about the building design and everything, the value of deflection and the moment and maximum momentum for every stories and all of them is exactly summary of the summary report of the is the had the project of the here. Those the project report is long, hard to find the all the values and everything. I the prefer the summary report by checking all of them. So this is the now complete the project on 23rd stories building ETFs, and there is only win load. Thank you for watching this video.